What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete all of your photos on your iPhone at once. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and navigate to your library. Here, you will see all the photos and videos currently saved on your device. To delete everything, we need to select all the photos first. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on Select to enable the selection mode. Now, rather than tapping each photo individually, which could take forever if you have thousands of images, there's a faster way. Start by tapping on the last photo at the bottom of your screen. Then, drag your finger across the row to move upward. This gesture will let you quickly select multiple photos at once as you scroll to the top. Keep holding down on the screen to continue selecting more rows. For an even faster method, while keeping your finger on the screen, use another finger to tap at the top right corner of the screen. This will quickly scroll to the top, allowing you to select a large number of photos in one motion. Once you've selected all of your photos, look for the trash icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the trash icon and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Delete. At this point, all selected photos will move to the recently deleted folder, but they're not permanently gone just yet. To fully delete all of these photos and free up storage, go back to the Albums tab in the Photos app. Scroll down until you find Recently Deleted. It's located at the bottom, under the Utilities section. Tap to open this folder, where you will see all the photos and videos you just deleted, stored here temporarily in case you change your mind. Inside the Recently Deleted folder, tap Select at the top right corner. This time, you don't need to manually select every photo again. Instead, tap Delete All at the bottom of the screen. A final confirmation prompt will appear, letting you know how many items will be permanently deleted. Tap Delete to confirm, and all the photos in Recently Deleted will be erased from your device permanently. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.